students, welcome to online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 4, subject English, poem Rain in the Night. In this poem, we will see what happens after it rains throughout the night. Let us begin with the poem. Raining all night long. This means that it has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. This means that sometimes it is raining loudly with lightning and thunder, and sometimes it is raining like a melody, like some soft song. There'll be rivers in the gutters. Now children, what are gutters? Gutters are channels at the edge of the street that carry off water. In simple words, naale or drain. As it has been raining throughout the night, what will happen is gutters will be like rivers. Rain will fill the gutters with water and they will flow like rivers and lakes along the street. This means that rainwater will also be collected at the corners of the street or road. And because of this water, lakes or pond will be formed beside the road. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Here the poetess is talking about her kitty, her cat. She is saying that her kitty is very lazy to wash his feet. So rains and the rising water will help the kitty to wash her feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. As you can see in the picture, there are small water droplets of rain on the roses. The poetess is comparing the water droplets with diamonds. She is saying that the water droplets of rain on the roses will look like the roses are wearing some shiny diamonds like the kings and queens wear at their court. Now children, what is a court? A court is a place where judgments are taken about good or bad things. It is similar to the court we see in our movies. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Pansies are small garden plants having flowers with purple, yellow or white velvety petals. So, because of rains, the mud in the garden will become wet and mushy and will flow with rainwater and will make the pansies dirty because they are very short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Here the poetess wishes to sail means to float or run or move the boat in water the next day in wonderful, fantastic new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Here the poetess is saying that before sailing her boat, first she will take her watering pot. A watering pot is a pot or a container used to sprinkle water over plants in a garden. So she is saying that she will take her watering pot and wash the pansies' faces, meaning wash the dirt on the pansies. This was all about your poem. This poem is written by Amelia Josephine Burr. She is the poetess and she has shared her experience of rain in the night.